Dramatic surveillance footage from November 17 and 24 captured a high-stakes incident at a gas station in Nicom, Honduras, where a motorcycle caught fire during refueling. A sudden flash erupted from the fuel tank, quickly engulfing the bike and spreading toward the pump. The situation could have escalated, but quick-thinking staff and bystanders immediately disconnected the fuel line, cleared the area, and used fire extinguishers to suppress the flames. This incident serves as a vital safety reminder. Always turn off your engine, avoid mobile devices, and never smoke while refueling. Be mindful of static electricity and ensure regular vehicle maintenance to check for fuel leaks. The calm, professional response seen here was the key factor in preventing a major disaster and minimizing damage. This video captures a high-stakes situation where a split-second reaction prevented a severe workplace accident. An individual appears to experience a sudden medical emergency, losing consciousness directly beneath a large industrial overhead door. Fortunately, the operator's quick reflexes and situational awareness allowed them to halt the door's descent immediately, preventing a potentially tragic outcome. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of workplace safety protocols and constant vigilance. Key takeaways include strict adherence to safety regulations as the first line of defense and the necessity for operators to remain fully focused on their surroundings. Furthermore, all personnel must be trained for emergency preparedness to respond to medical or mechanical issues instantly, proving that a culture of teamwork can save lives in critical moments. In a heavy industrial facility, a catastrophic accident occurred when an operator's clothing became entangled in a high-torque, rotating spindle of a pipe threading machine. A sudden change in the machine's state pulled the individual into the mechanism, highlighting the lethal power of industrial equipment. This tragedy underscores several non-negotiable safety protocols. First, proper attire is vital. Loose clothing, jewelry, or unsecured long hair can act as a bridge to disaster. Second, maintaining safe clearance zones is mandatory. Never approach moving parts until a verified standstill is achieved. Third, machine guarding and strict lockout at tagout LOTO procedures must be enforced to prevent accidental energization. Finally, situational awareness is the last line of defense. Safety in high-risk environments is a continuous commitment, as a single lapse in focus can lead to life-altering consequences for everyone involved. This footage captures a critical industrial incident involving a high-pressure vessel. While performing a routine inspection on an active industrial cooker, the unit's door suddenly failed, and the massive force from the sudden depressurization, along with a blast of high-temperature steam, knocked the worker to the ground. This incident serves as a vital reminder of the hazards inherent in operating high-pressure machinery. To prevent such accidents, facilities must prioritize rigorous maintenance, including regular inspections of all seals and locking mechanisms. It is essential to follow strict technical protocols, ensuring machines are fully depressurized before any inspection. Utilizing proper PP and implementing safety interlocks are crucial steps to ensure every worker returns home safely. Staying vigilant is the only way to maintain a truly secure workplace. In this footage, two vehicles are undergoing maintenance at a professional service center with their hoods open. While a technician is focused on inspecting the engine bay of the vehicle on the right, a sudden and loud malfunction occurs in the vehicle on the left, sending a burst of smoke and debris across the shop. The technician, caught off guard by the unexpected incident, immediately retreats to a safe distance. This serves as a stark reminder of how quickly hazardous situations can arise in a workshop environment. This video highlights the importance of following strict safety protocols. When dealing with mechanical and electrical systems, the risk of equipment failure is always present. To minimize risks, always wear proper PP, follow standard operating procedures, and prioritize routine inspections to prevent similar incidents from occurring. In a manufacturing facility, a worker in a high-visibility orange hard hat and safety jacket is monitoring a large industrial winch spooling heavy cabling. As the cable winds, he attempts to adjust the line, but his arm becomes entangled in a loose loop. The mechanical force of the rotating spindle pulls him into the machine, pinning him between the stationary blue guide and the drum. Despite his struggle, the continuous motion makes escape impossible. This serves as a critical reminder of the risks associated with heavy machinery. To prevent incidents, workers must never reach into moving parts, and employers must enforce lockout, tagout, LOTO protocols. Comprehensive training on emergency stops and regular equipment inspections are vital to ensuring a safe workplace and protecting lives. In a high-density warehouse, the operator of green forklift No. 73 struck a racking unit, triggering a catastrophic structural collapse. Thousands of heavy cartons buried the vehicle instantly, highlighting how even a minor impact can compromise warehouse safety. This incident serves as a critical reminder that maintaining strict operator precision and following OSHA standards are non-negotiable. To prevent such accidents, facilities must prioritize routine rack inspections, ensure proper load management, and maintain safe distances from structural supports. Constant safety training and immediate reporting of any equipment contact are essential to protecting personnel and preventing secondary collapses. Always stay alert, operate with caution, and put workplace safety above speed to ensure everyone returns home safely. In a bustling mechanical workshop, a team of workers is deeply focused on their tasks near heavy machinery when a powerful explosion suddenly erupts from a nearby gas cylinder area. A massive flash of fire and debris tears through the air as the intense force of the blast impacts workers in the immediate vicinity. In the chaotic aftermath, colleagues react instantly, rushing toward the scene to provide assistance to their teammates. This incident serves as a critical reminder of the hazards in industrial environments, especially when handling high-pressure equipment and flammable gases. To ensure safety, it is vital to strictly adhere to established protocols and SOPs, conduct routine maintenance on all pressure vessels, and participate in regular emergency response drills. Let this be a wake-up call to prioritize workplace safety above all else to prevent future tragedies. This impactful video serves as a critical reminder of workplace safety at an active construction site. Highlighting high-risk behaviors, the footage shows a worker in a yellow vest and pink hard hat clinging to a crane's hoist line, being lifted high without a harness or proper platform. Another worker is seen hitching a ride on hoisted materials without safety gear. These actions show a severe disregard for protocols. Cranes are for materials, not people. Such practices pose extreme risks of falls or being crushed. This is a stark warning. Never use cranes for personnel without specialized equipment. Strictly follow all machinery procedures, and always use PPE. Project owners must ensure rigorous supervision to maintain a safe environment and prevent life-altering accidents. This security footage captures a massive industrial accident that occurred at a fireworks manufacturing site in 2018. The video shows a worker transporting materials into the facility when a small spark ignites, rapidly escalating into a powerful explosion. The force of the blast was immense, compromising the building's structural integrity, lifting the roof, and causing the workshop to collapse. Thick smoke and debris immediately covered the entire area. The event unfolded in less than a minute, resulting in the total destruction of the workspace. This footage serves as a sobering reminder of the inherent risks involved in the production of volatile materials. To prevent such incidents, it is essential to strictly adhere to safety protocols, conduct regular inspections, and provide comprehensive emergency training. Promoting a culture of safety is the best way to protect workers,